Hi, I'm Ravi from Thinlabs. Thinlabs has been an independent manufacturer of computers from 1998. We made our first Power over Ethernet or PoE computer in 2009, and now we have over 40,000 PoE computers in the field. PoE is beneficial to our customers and to the environment because it uses less energy, it uses fewer resources, no electrical wiring or plug points. It costs you less to install and less to run. So it's the most sustainable solution in the world. Let's look at a few Power over Ethernet computers that we have to show today. I'd like to talk about our Helios range, which is our touchscreen range. It has an AMD Ryzen processor, support for 32 GB of RAM. It's running Windows 11, multi-touch support. You can zoom in, zoom out. And as you guessed it, it's running off a single Ethernet cable. Our customers in the manufacturing sector love it because you can install this pretty much anywhere for their process management. Our healthcare customers use it for patient data records, and it's compatible with all leading applications. We have customers in education and transportation who use it, and the main advantages are no AC plug points, no expensive electricians, and lower energy costs. New for 2024 are our mini PC solutions. Our patented mini PC is running off a single Ethernet input. It is running off a 90-watt input from a network switch. This is capable of supporting 64 GB of RAM. It's an x86 processor, so can run Windows 11. This is Windows 11 Professional, but that's not it. It is powering not only itself, but via a USB-C cable, this 27-inch 4K monitor. And that's not all. From this 27-inch 4K monitor, I have daisy-chained another 27-inch 4K monitor via USB-C input. This is using multi-stream transport or MST. So 2 monitors, both 27-inch and both 4K, and this computer running a full Windows 11 supported off a single Ethernet cable. This is as sustainable as computing can get. No AC power cords, no electricians. At Thinlabs, we give you the most cost-effective, most sustainable solution, and we help you cut the power cord.